To force restart a Samsung Galaxy S26, all you need to do is simply long press on the side button and the volume down until the power off menu appears, and then you'll ignore it and keep pressing until your screen goes off. Once it goes off, it means that you've successfully performed the force restart and you can let go of the buttons. So side button, volume down, long press, and just keep pressing until the screen goes off. And then from here, you can now let go of the buttons and simply wait for your phone to finish off the restart. And once you've done that, you can see you've successfully force restarted your S26. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.